Nature's Bakery fig bars. I'm gonna do a blueberry and a raspberry. Happy Saturday 22. Nope, it was Friday 22. It's the morning. Saturday 23 March 2024. I'm Tanis Leonhardi. She, her, hers is Seattle. It's my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi, at least currently. And I'm gonna do 2 of these. Each one is 200 calories. These are my extra snack calories. I'm shaking it up today and doing it earlier in the day. I do this sometimes. Not always. Sometimes. Alright. Here's the big bar. So, I was seeing... Sabrina Pasterski really looks like a Spanish conquistadora, doesn't she? So she's part, what, Cuban and I know Spanish as well as English. Part Dutch via Poland. And so the Cuban would be fitting with the definition of Latino from Portugal or Spain. And considering she knows Spanish, I would guess Spain. It really fits her look. How cool. So I have my associate's degree was focused in mathematics and multicultural studies, and my bachelor degree was geology and geophysics with a minor in mathematics. How cool would it be if it turned out way back when there's a little bit of Spanish nobility in her bloodlines or bloodline? That would be so great for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Spanish conquistadora descendant. Almighty. There's one thing. Is that random? Yeah. It is good. It's soft, it's figgy. And Adam Petey goes, "You're not allowed to eat another fig product without bringing me up." Adam Petey wants in on the car race that I talked about in the Great Race Notes video from yesterday, 22 March 2024. If I'm feeling ambitious, I'll link it in the video description. Alright, how was the blueberry? Good. It's like that. It's not a fig Newton. There's more of the exterior. It's thicker. But I'm gonna guess the concept might be similar. And the brand is Nature's Bakery. I'll give it a 28 out of 10. Alright, so then up next is raspberry. Okay. If Adam Petey joins the race, he ties me for 6th place because he is fueled by frangipane and tarts. I should link to that as well. The fig frangipane tart I had back in October 2023. On the city of Vancouver, Washington State, United States of America, Plant Earth Original. And this is better than the blueberry. Though he rhymes with Alexander Popov in Food Choice. Because Alexander Popov went with ham and cheese pierogi, but not a certain brand. And so in that sense, Adam Petey is like Alexander Popov. Actually, that's true in swimming too. Alexander Popov was like a 1500 guy, and Adam Peaty is also a 1500 guy. Huh. .38 out of 10. I'm not going to put this in recipes and preparations. Tentatively. It was good. So, Nature's Bakery fig bars. Blueberry, raspberry. There you are.